university. And my hobbies are listening songs, discussion with friends on social issues, and I also love helping my father in his farming. And sir, for the past 3-4 years, I have been preparing for SSC and railway exams.
Okay, as you have told me that you like to discuss with your friends
Yes.
and some social security issues, some social issues. So just tell me uh, 10 social issues facing our India today. 10 social issues.
In social issues.
Mm.
Sir, first one is sir dowry system.
Mhm.
Second
Okay.
is sir unemployment.
Mm.
Third is sir in our state it's about political instability also.
Okay.
Fourth thing is sir about that gender equality one.
Mhm.
And fifth thing is that sex ratio.
Mhm.
And one also answer we generally don't discuss. I don't get much time to discuss, but these
Mhm.
are some of the topics in which we discuss.
It's all right. Try to give me 10 points that are related to social issues.
Okay, sir.
Just try.
Okay, sir. Uh,
Don't reverse your idea
okay.
that you are not very good at social discussion. एक बार आपने अगर कह दिया कि
Sir,
आप
one
सोशल
is sir.
डिस्कशन करते हैं तो आप उस पर स्टिक हो जाइए, आप
Hmm,
रिवर्स मत मारिए, ठीक है?
yes,
हम्म,
sir.
हम्म,
Sir, I had mentioned that discussion, social part. I have cut it that thing from that intro part.
It's all right. Just tell me 10 social issues.
Uh, One thing is, sir, also low literacy rate of different states.
Very
One
good.
is, sir, poverty,
Good.
and in some southern states like Tamil Nadu, I think water is also going to be a major issue in the coming
Mhm.
years.
Okay.
And also, sir,
Regionalism,
in
communalism,
yes, sir,
hinterland
communalism,
terrorism.
hinterland terrorism, radicalization of different youths of
Yes, yes,
different
yes.
states.
मैं अगर
So
20 पॉइंट्स बोलता तब भी आप 20 पॉइंट्स बता देते, तो डरिए नहीं, रिवर्स मत करिए, फॉरवर्ड कैरी फॉरवर्ड में रहिए। चलिए ठीक है। Now tell me, what have you learned in your graduation degree that will be helpful to our organization?
okay.
Mhm.
Sir, in graduation, although that I think that chemistry as a subject, it will
Mhm.
help me, but I have not excelled in that subject too much. But the importance of small things
Mhm.
that even if we used to do some experiments, then a slight variation would change the result. Means
Mhm.
थोड़े थोड़े problem. May I speak in Hindi, sir? A
No,
bit.
you are not allowed.
Okay, okay, sir. That sir, slight mistakes, it could also lead us to a different result, or
Mhm.
the result would be a little different. So that importance of that small things, I
Mhm.
think I have learned that, and as a IB officer, I
Mhm.
think that it is going to help me in considering a small sensitive things, and I will be keeping in those things in my mind.
Okay. Now tell me some prime features of leadership.
Okay, sir. Sir, first of all, he should have good communication skills.
Mhm.
Second thing, sir, his that tendency to attract people so
Mhm.
that he could organize and uh, do his work in a better way, and leadership skills. Sir, decision making, I think decision making is also a good thing that he should possess.
Mhm.
And that, sir, right now I am not getting all the points, but these three are the
Okay, okay, very good. Now tell me the types of leadership.
types of leadership. Sorry, sir, I didn't get this question.
How many types are there for leadership?
I don't have idea regarding these questions
Okay,
right now.
and which type of leadership is best for Indian policing system?
Mm, sorry, sir. I also don't have it.
Okay. Now tell me that which type of federalism will be good for our Indian system that is cooperative or competitive federalism?
Federalism, cooperative, or one more thing is competitive or cooperative federalism.
Yes.
Sir, again, sir, this federalism, I haven't studied this thing till now, till date. So
Sure.
I can't speak on this. So
Okay. What is written in Article 19 of Indian Constitution?
sir, it's about freedom of speech and expression, and it has another 6 subparts of A, B, C, D, E, F, and G, H. Is one of them is removed also.
Okay, it's all right. Now tell me what is written in Schedule 5 and Schedule 6 of Indian Constitution.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, Schedule 5, it mainly deals with the administration of different states in which there are schedule population is over there. A considerable amount of population is there. Namely, there are around 10 states. I am not sure, but around there are 10 states. And in Schedule 6, it deals with the states of Northeast, namely Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, and Mizoram.
Okay.
And sir, the difference between these two things, that Schedule 5 and Schedule 6, is in Schedule 6, sir, actually the states have got autonomous district councils, which have been given the power to jurisdicate in their area. And in sir, Schedule 5, in which the 10 states are over there, in that case, sir, the governor is the head of that schedule area, which are nominated by the government. And sir, yearly, I think yearly a report is being taken by the governor, and he submits it to the president.
Okay, it's all right. Now tell me the geographical difference between your state and Jammu and Kashmir.
Geographical, okay, sir. We Jharkhand, it is located on the eastern part of India, and Jammu Kashmir is in the northern part of India. And geographical, so even the climatic conditions of both the states, these two are different. And sir, right now, and I can't relate much in that sense, geographical sense.
Hilly terrain, plain, humidity, rainy area, and ice, minus degree, plus degree. कुछ तो बताओ, टेम्परेचर बताओ, हवा बताओ, पानी बताओ, ये सब चीजें तो बताओ.
Yes, sir. The region of Jammu and Kashmir, it is mostly hilly, and in Jharkhand, it's also hilly, but not as that hilly as compared to Jammu and Kashmir. And the rainfall, it is also, I think that in Jharkhand, it depends on the monsoon mainly, and it is below the national average of rainfall. And in Jammu and Kashmir, I don't have any idea regarding that.
Okay. And now I have here rapid fire with you, that veg or non-veg?
Non-veg, sir.
Non-veg. Narendra Modi, Rahul Gandhi?
Sir, Narendra Modi.
Okay. Narendra Modi. Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi?
Sonia Gandhi.
Sonia Gandhi. Varun Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi?
Which Gandhi, sir? Varun Gandhi.
Yes.
I don't know him personally, but I will go with Varun Gandhi.
Varun Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi?
Varun Gandhi, I don't know about him, sir.
वरुण गांधी को नहीं जानते हो? मेनका गांधी को जानते हो कि नहीं?
Menka Gandhi, I have heard her name, but I am not sure about her.
अरे वरुण गांधी की आंट है, सगी आंट है मेनका गांधी. वो राहुल गांधी की आंट है, मेनका गांधी सगी आंट. और वरुण गांधी और राहुल
Menka Gandhi is in BJP.
Yes. Okay. Income tax inspector, IBACIO.
IBSCIO.
IPS, IBACIO.
IBSCIO.
Okay. IAS, IBACIO,
IBSEIU,
IAS, IPS,
IAS,
father, mother,
father,
brother, sister,
brother,
sister, mother,
mother,
mother, dog, lion,
son, dog.
dog. Why dog? Why not lion?
Because they are no sir, because they are faithful, and I had also one pet which I don't have right now, but I used to love him a lot. So dog, I'm familiar with that creature.
Okay. So what is your daily routine?
Sir, I wake up at around 6 to 6:30 in the morning, and then I go for a morning walk.
Mhm.
After half an hour, I return. Then I start reading newspaper, Times of India.
Mhm.
After 1 hour, I make my breakfast, and 9 to 12, I study.
Mhm.
Then 1 to 2, I make my lunch. Then after 2, I take bath and take a half an hour rest. And then in the evening around 4 to 6, I study. And then again 6 to 7, I go out for just my like this only. I go out for refreshment. And at 7 to 9, I study. And 9 to 10, I make my dinner. And then 10 to 12, around 11 to 10 to 11, I study. And 11 to 12, I go to sleep.
You make dinner. Where is your mother?
What, sir?
As you have told that you make breakfast, you dinner. Where is your mother?
Sir, I live in my room in a lodge.